Hi guys, today we are making our own sellotape squishy. So first you make like a little ball made out of sellotape like this. Double-sided sellotape. I know it's white on the camera, I don't know why, but then in real life it's see-through. But you need double-sided and then you're just going to smash it all up. And then get heaps more. And yeah, do that. And then you all stick them together. And I'm going to just let you do that for a little time. I'm just going to do something really quick so you can do it. Okay? So, okay. I gave you heaps of time, so now we can make it. So, first, with your ball, you're going to get some toilet paper and wrap it around with your ball. So I'll be back and I'll be getting my paper. I got some toilet paper and now we'll wrap it around here. Okay, so we've got a ball here and now we're gonna wrap it like so. Gonna put this over like that and just wrap it around. All of it around the whole ball until it stops. And now it's squishy. So we have our ball with this stuff around it. And you can see it's not staying on, so we're going to get some sellotape. And then you're going to wrap it around your ball like this. So we've put our sellotape on the ball so it stays together. Come back and get it. So, as I was saying, now there's sellotape on the ball. If you don't have any sellotape, use glue. So, now we're going to get another bit of toilet paper and we're going to put it all around it, and then on the bottom we're going to put sellotape. So I'm going to do that now. So I got some toilet paper and I wrapped it around the ball without videoing, but yeah. And now I'm just going to put some sellotape just along this bit. So I'm just going to get some sellotape and just put it along there, like that. And now I'm just going to get a long bit, not a really long bit, but a quite long bit, and just put it down here. I've done that now, so next, with the same sellotape and the same stuff, we're going to do the same thing, except up here, we're just going to fold it down to the back, like that, and make it go like that. Yeah. And I'm going to sellotape it. And now the same thing with the other side. So I did the same thing to both sides. Now there's just a little gap with no sellotape in the middle. And that's the front. And then on the back, it's back, of course. And I stick the sellotape on there. So next we're gonna just draw. So yeah. So we're back to my room and now we're going to draw on this bit. On the bit which doesn't have that much sellotape, just a tiny bit. Not this much sellotape. And this side, good. So they start doing it. So now that we've drawn a squishy and made a squishy, let's write our name on it. So my squishy's name might be Meowsy. So let's write it on the side. Meowsy. M-E-O-S-I-E. I know it's the wrong way around on the camera, but it's right way around in real life, so it's pretty weird. Yeah, that's it. That's how you make sellotape squishy. Meow. Bye guys. subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a like for a new video. Bye guys! Meow.